No, you crawled out of the pocket all on your own.
And look at the confidence. Yeah.
No, you just touch his cheeks. Just touch the little flaps and then see? And then it'll latch on.
Hey!
Wepa! Bentley.
Bentley is very emotional too.
Bentley is the one that found this little guy. So it's a waxwing. So should I name it Wing Junior? Right? We thought it was a sparrow, but it would have been named Jack Sparrow. If it was a finch, it would be Paul Finch.
Name it Jack Wing Jr.
No. Just Wing Junior.
And just as quickly as their feelings grew for you, and you started getting, quite...
Eee. Look at the little tail. Look at the little tail. So cute.
Oh my God, the pride, the confidence.
You're feeling better now, aren't you, huh? Look at the little crest. It's definitely a waxwing.
Wing Junior.
Wing Junior. Oh.
Oh wow! Look at that confidence when Mama grabs. I show Mama now. Look.
Our adopted little bird.
Look at that. Look at that.
Wepa.